Hi friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to understand about preparation of cash flow statement. We try to understand how to prepare the cash flow statement. Before looking into the procedure to prepare the cash flow statement, let us understand what is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement which due to which we can understand the changes or the movement of the cash taking place in the accounting period, in the given period. That is the changes in the current assets and current liabilities. So, or the cash inflows and cash flows in the business in the given period. So, this will be displaying various transactions on cash position of the firm. So, with the movement of the cash or changes in the cash inflows and cash outflows, we can understand the cash position of the firm. Then it is formulated, that it is prepared with the help of financial statements, that is balance sheet and profit and loss account. And this determines the reasons or the causes of the changes, why that changes has been taken place. We can identify the reason or the cause for the cash changes in the cash or cash equivalents. Then coming to the procedure, that is cash flow statement, preparing the cash flow statement. Sources to prepare, that is what are the sources to prepare the cash flow statement. So sources will be like comparative balance sheets. We will be taking balance sheet of 2 years so that we can understand the closing opening balance and the closing balance. We'll try to make the comparison, that is beginning of the year balance and the ending of the year balance. And also we will consider profit and loss account. Then if required, additional data also will be considered. And this statement, the cash flow statement, will be revealing the hidden information. With the other financial statement, we may not be understanding in depth about the changes or the movement of the cash. But with the help of cash flow statement, we can understand the changes or the movements taken place with inflow and outflow of the cash of an organization. Then steps involved in preparation of cash flow statement, that is initially we have to consider, that is whatever format is there, we have to prepare in a particular format, columns we will be taking 2 or 3 depending on that. First we have to compute the operating activities. So operating activities according to the given problem, whatever are there related to the operating activities, we have to put under the operating activities, that is denoted by capital A. Then we have to go for the second step, we have to go for the investing activities. So what are the activities or the transaction related to investing activities should come under investing activities, which is denoted by capital B. Then third one, that is financing activities. So here we will be putting all the amounts or the change of amounts under this, which according to the nature of the activities, which falls under financing activities. This is denoted by capital C. So once we have done that, we have to start preparing the standard format, that is the standard cash flow statement. We will try to sum up all A, B, C, that is all the 3 activities of, that is operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. So this must be equal to the net increase or net decrease of cash equivalents computed. The whatever finally we will try to make it, that should equal to the ending balance, that is the closing balance of the cash. Then comparison of cash or cash equivalents available in the balance sheets for determining the net increase or net decrease. Whatever is the difference, we will try to consider it. Then as I told you, we have to make the total of A, B, C. So this total of cash beginning of the year. So this total, whatever I am saying, we have to add this total to the cash balance at the beginning of the year. Whatever balance is there, opening balance of cash, we have to add these A, B, C to that. Then whatever beginning balance is there, it should match with the ending balance, that is closing balance. So will be equal to the cash at the end of the year, that is opening balance plus A, which will be revealing about the activities under operating, then plus B, which will be revealing the activities under investing, then finally C, which will be revealing activities under financing activities. So cash balance, opening balance plus ABC, which should be equal to the ending balance, closing balance of the cash. The important transactions, whatever are related to non-cash items, should be made separately. The schedule should be prepared separately. Then let us see what are the methods to prepare cash flow statement. So we have two methods under preparation. That is, either it can be prepared direct method or it can be prepared indirect method. Let us see how to prepare direct method. What are contents will be in the direct method. That is, direct method will be considering the net cash flows. Net cash flows here again inflows, outflows. So outflows will be cash payments, inflows will be cash receipts. So cash flows are calculated determining the total cash receipts of the operating revenues and total cash payments of the operating expenses. So capital risk, that is cash receipts minus cash payments, we will get net cash flow. Okay, so net means available, whatever is the available. So until unless we don't remove the payments, that will not be net. So once we are removing whatever payments are to be made, that is made from the receipts, then we could understand what exactly is the position, which we call it as net cash flows. Like cash receipts from royalties, fees, commissions. So these are the receipts, and payments like supply of goods, that is and services, employees, to whatever payments we are making. So those comes under cash payments. Then cash receipts and cash payments may be relating to insurance also will come under this direct method. And directly, which are directly implied. Then coming to indirect method, this method is also known as reconciliation method. So under this method, we will try to consider net cash flow from operating activities which are evaluated by the adjustment of profit and loss account. And then followed by non-cash items like depreciation, provision, deferred taxes, unrealized foreign. According to the given problem, you have to pick the data. So all these items comes under this. In the given data, whatever is given, maybe sometimes they may not give the foreign exchange. So we are not going to consider that. We are going to consider whatever is given in the problem, in the data. Then changes in the inventories, operating receivables and other payables of the accounting period will be also considered under this method. Then all other items which will be influenced indirectly, the cash will be considered in this method. So hope this video will be helpful for the preparation of the method how to prepare cash flow statement. The questions can be asked in the essay, the procedure of preparing the cash flow method. So all the very best and thank you.